You can have one. You want to eat the one with the tajin?
Yeah, but hold on.
Okay. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Evkama here, and to those who are new, please welcome. To all my fans and to all my viewers, thank you to all of you. Today we are making another super easy recipe. It is a boiled salted peaches and cream corn on the cobs. And what we need are 8 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of table salt, and I have 8 pieces of peaches and cream corn on the cobs. We are going to cook them for 20 minutes. It's that easy. So let's get started and follow along. And transfer to your platter. Set aside these cooked corn on the cobs for about 3 minutes before consuming them to avoid any injury. And I will show you how we consume these. You may use a chopstick. It's easier to manage. And just front and back stroke. And this time I'm not using any salt. We already have salt when we were boiling these. And I'll be using a vegetable seasoning. Or have you used tajin before? For me, it is a new way of consuming our corn on the cob. It is a little sour. If you're wondering how it tastes, get rid of the brown spots. Sometimes if they're dented or damaged, after you cook them, they become brown. And then just add tajin on top. You can have one. You want to eat the one with the tajin?
Yeah, but hold on.
Okay.
Maybe I can put it on a plate.
Yeah, you can.
Can you put a pokey in it? Can you poke one for me?
Yeah, this one is yours.
Oh, here we go.
Or you want to make
it's
it
not
up?
consistent.
Okay, there you go.
Wait, can you help?
You want a lot?
But I want the bottom.
It's already.
Oh.
There's butter already.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought you were gonna pick it up. Like pick it up with your hand.
No.
Okay, that's a lot.
There you go. Yeah.
Can I put it over here? Or
Just here because it's already messy there. The best part. You like a lot of that?
Yeah, so yummy. Thanks.
Yummy.
Okay, I'll go upstairs so you can do your
Okay. If you do not have a strong teeth, you can still enjoy the corn on the cob by following my method. From the top to the bottom, just scrape down. Yummy. Then add the Tajin Classico seasoning. Yummy. You can add more, you can add less. It's up to you. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and hopefully we all live longer. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.